Okay guys, so I've got an Ecoline with completely locked up cylinders. They don't know if the any of the cylinders work to the same key as the ignition. They don't have the ignition key. I'm going to try and figure out what I'm doing is I'm going to take off these 4 Torx screws here and try and pop this out of the door so I can get to that lock, pull that, lubricate it, and get it to spin, see if I can pick and decode it. If I can pick and decode it, I can see if those cylinders will all match the ignition and I can make a key to the ignition. So let me try and get this set up. This isn't the best, but we'll see. Now, I don't know if this will work, but it seems that it is completely loosening this thing out here. Okay. We don't want it to fall now. Okay. Let's see here. Pull. We can. Okay. Disconnect the light up here by spinning it, pulling it out. See if it'll pull even more here. I have a horrible vantage point for you guys. Something's holding it on both sides. On this side is the tailpiece. It's holding it in over here. I can't tell. Just a second, let me set this down. You're probably going to see the back of my head. It's not that. It's whatever this is right here. Ah, got it. Okay. So, pop that out. See if I can pull this. So you can see here. Sorry, I dropped it. I've got this out. I'm going to try and pop this off. This little clip here. See if I can remove it. Just a second. I'm gonna have to have tools for this. Okay, so I was able to take a flathead and pry these pieces up and down and split it and take this off of there. Now, as you can see, there's like a rusted ass C-clip right here that I need to figure out how to pull off. It should just pull straight out, but I think I need some lubrication. So after I slid that C-clamp off, just pulled it out, the lock just came straight out through that hole and all. So now I'm going to take it. I'm going to try not to take it apart because I don't have a face cap to put back on it, but take it, clean it up, try and get the wafers, try and get it to spin, pick and decode it, make a key to it, hope that that key will progression into the ignition key. So anyways, in the van here, basically now that I took it out, I already went through and made a key to it. Took this clip off, took this off the back, and basically I had to, if you can see, I had to spray and clean out every little crevice here and spray and torque on it. The big screwdriver, stick it in the front, spin it. Finally I got this thing to bust loose. The pins, or the wafers, were going up and down. They were moving perfectly fine. The cylinder was not spinning though, so I couldn't get any tension to read whether the wafers were working or not. Eventually, once I got that pressure, I was able to get the thing to spin. I was able to decode the key and do the progressions for the ignition. And it is this final one down here. The cuts there. And now, I'm just going to cut a chip key and reinstall this and program the chip key to it, and we will make keys to the van.